MAXPRO is a brand promoter of professional power tool. The brand name MAXPRO is combination of maximum and professional, which stands for our ambition of pursuing products. With 1,000 square meters base and over 8 years experiences, MAXPRO designs and sells a vast range of quality power tools offered to overseas consumers. So far, the MAXPRO products have been registered and distributed into more than 30 countries in the world. The mission of MAXPRO is dedicated to find up global partners in the world and offer them with one-stop buying platform, including portable tools, bench tools, air tools, engine tools, garden tools, accessories. Meanwhile, continuously output them with complete and thoughtful after-sales service and on-time shipment delivery. MAXPRO products are carried out with uniform test standards, which are mainly suitable for professional users. We have 4 steps of strict quality controls: raw material inspection, online production inspection, finished product inspection, and pre-shipment inspection. It is to assure MAXPRO products are flawless and offered to our esteemed customers. MAXPRO set up its own warehouse system and meanwhile prepare existing stock for products. Once upon detecting customers' new demand, we will dispatch goods in the short time and in low MOQ. You're welcome to be our agent.